there we go. Are you filming actually, Daddy?
Wow.
So there we go. Our tempura is tempura. Welcome back again into another episode of Rechelle's vlog. So into this video, we are doing what I'm going to do?
Prawn.
A tempura. So this is the, this is good as a finger food or maganda ding pulutan. So our ingredients are, so I have here nalinis ko na siya. So I have here 1 kilo of prawns. So I'll put everything in there. Everything in. And then I will put some. So I'll put here, I have here a white pepper. So lalagyan na natin siya ng white pepper. And I have meron akong garlic powder here. And some salt. Meron tayong salt. Yeah. Okay, so I have everything in. So we just basically mix it. In this stage, you can put sesame oil if you wanted to, if you wish. You can do that, but I don't really like sesame oil. So I am just gonna leave it as it is.
So, depende yan. So, we're gonna cut it in the same process. Crack lang natin siya para maging straight yung ating prawns. Pero make sure that you're gonna cut the prawns itself. Ayan siya. And there's one more. Ayan. Crack. So, this is all what I have. So, this is everything. I already done everything. So, I'll show you the next step.
Here. Flour. I'm just gonna put a little bit of seasoning. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Not much because I got already some seasoning in the prawns, so I don't wanna make it too salty. And a little bit of white pepper. And then some chili. A little bit, just to have a little bit of kick, and some smoked paprika there, and then you mix it. So that is the dry ingredients, and then we go for the egg wash. I have 2 eggs here. And then I'm gonna just give it a whisk. So and I'll show you the things to do. Pasensya na kayo, ang aking kitchen ay napakalaki. Go on, Natalie. Get a chair. Okay, the first thing to do is get the prawn. I have the prawn ready. And you put it into the flour mixture. Tap the excess. Pour it into the egg wash. And then put it into the panko. So you cover it like that, right? And that's it. And then we're just gonna carry on, do the same, exactly the same process. guys, so this is the second batch of our tempura. So some of it is already ready.
Ooh, look at this. Oh my god, nice.
So there we go. This is our tempura with vinegar. So you can also use a sweet chili sauce if you wanted to as a dipping sauce. And someone here is enjoying it. Okay then, bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye.
Ta-da-da! So there we go. Are you filming actually, Daddy?
Wow.
So there we go. Our tempura is tempura. Our tempura is done. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope you guys like this recipe. If you do, give this one a big thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to watch our old videos, previous videos, it will be linked up here.
That's the king prawn.
One bite.
King prawn. Masarap.
May papikit-pikit ba? Let's get closing that.
We should make this for Christmas.
For Christmas, I think we're gonna have something else.
Sure.
Daddy, why? Look, you're eating everything.
Should I eat everything?
Yeah.
Well done.
It's crunchy. Ang arte-arte. Akin. He's not eating it.
What do you mean to eat
If it's expensive, you have to eat everything.
I don't know.
Oh, good chicken.
I'm gonna get this one.
Dami nila sayang, oy.
Okay, I'm gonna try.